If you are struggling to add links in your Instagram posts, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, we'll need a link that we want to add in our Instagram post. For that, I will go to my YouTube channel and I will simply copy the link of this channel like this. Now, if we go back and open Instagram, first of all, we'll have to create a post. For that, I will tap on that plus icon on the bottom, and then simply I will select any one of post, like I will select a post from my gallery, like this one, like this one. Then I will simply hit next and then hit next again. Now on this page, okay, if we go to more options on the bottom, you'll find out that there is no proper option that we can use to add a link in our Instagram post, unfortunately. So there is basically a trick or another way that I will tell you in this video. To do that, first of all, you'll have to add a caption to this post, like for link. For example, I am adding a post about my new video and I want to share the link of that video in my post. So I will add a caption on the post that for link visit profile bio, and then I will simply tap on OK and then hit share. Now this post will be uploaded on Instagram. Now what will I do? I will go back to my profile. I will simply tap on edit profile. Then I will tap on links, and now I will have to tap on add external link, and then I will add a URL, that URL of the video. Let's say for an example, and then for the title I will type new video. So when anybody will see my post, he will come to my bio, to my on the Instagram profile, and he will be able to find, that person will be able to find the link of the new video. You can see on my profile one more. I will tap on one more, and now you can see the new video, new latest video or new latest link is available on my profile, and anybody can navigate to that video by tapping on this link. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.